In street fight, the front one person is continuously attacking on your face. Then how to defend yourself? Guys, especially this video is for you and very beneficial for you. So guys, don't miss this video because this video is going to be very beneficial for you. So let's start the video. If someone comes to you and push on your chest and continuously punch on your face, then what you do here? Here you will use your mind and use tricks. Guys, if you do practice and do with speed and you have a strength, then you can do easily this trick. So let's start the video. Anyone comes to you and push on your chest. Listen guys, when anyone comes to you, he is in angry mode. When he attacks you, his balance going to out. When you take the side position like me, as you can see in the video, like this, then his balance going to out. Then you will immediately grab his neck or any attack or grab like this way. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side. So let's start. When you push, take a side position. Now, grab his neck like this way and lock his neck. Guys, now I'll show you this technique fast, it works or not. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.